Timing chain installation. All bolts are installed mechanically. Place the chain in position. Connect the top to the camshaft and the bottom to the crankshaft. Align the timing marks. This is the key point. Prepare to install the tensioner. This is the tensioner. Quickly install one bolt, then install the next one. There is engine oil inside. Double check it. Tighten the bolt securely. Mark it with a signature for reference. Perfect. Next, install the cover. Put the cover on and press it into place. Next, something you might not expect. Even bolt tightening is gradually being replaced by machines. Do you know how many bolts are here in total? The footage is not sped up. It rotates forward and backward, and the job is done. Please contact me at Running Roo. We supply a full range of high-quality timing chain kits for various vehicle makes and models. Based in Melbourne, Running Roo has the right timing solution ready for you.